Ever stared down a shopping cart full of goodies, only to realize you can't remember your debit card number? We've all been there. But what if your debit card doesn't even have a number printed on it? That's the case with the Sofi debit card, a sleek black number designed for security. Fear not, online shoppers and virtual voyagers. Unveiling your Sofi debit card number is a breeze, and this video will show you exactly how. Sofi boasts a mobile app that puts your financial world at your fingertips. But for some reason, the debit card number itself is hidden within the app. Why the secrecy? It all comes down to security. By keeping the number off the physical card and tucked away within the app, Sofi adds an extra layer of protection in case your card ever falls into the wrong hands. Now, before we dive into the app, let's address a quick question. Are you looking for your regular Sofi debit card number or the number for a Pay in 4 virtual card? These are two different beasts. If you're looking for the number for a specific purchase you made with Sofi Pay in 4, that process is slightly different. We'll cover both scenarios in this video. Alright, assuming you're on the hunt for your standard Sofi debit card number, let's grab your phone and get started. First things first, launch the Sofi app and log in. Once you're greeted by your Sofi dashboard, it's time to find the debit card section. This might vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but you're generally looking for a Cards or Debit Card tab. If you're having trouble finding it, don't fret. Sofi has a handy search bar at the top of the app. Just type in debit card and the app should point you in the right direction. Once you've located the debit card section, tap on it. This will bring you to a screen displaying your Sofi debit card information. Here's where things get interesting. You won't actually see the full 16-digit number displayed right away. For security reasons, Sofi keeps it masked. But fear not, revealing the number is a simple process. Look for a button or toggle that says something like Show Card Details or View CVV. Tapping this button will likely prompt you to verify your identity with a fingerprint scan or your phone's passcode. Once you've passed the security check, voila! Your Sofi debit card number, along with the expiration date and CVV code, will be displayed on the screen. Now you can copy and paste that number to your heart's content and continue your online shopping spree. Remember, this number will only be visible for a short period of time, so make sure you grab it before it disappears again. Now, what if you're looking for the number for a specific purchase you made with Sofi Pay in 4? The process is similar, but with a slight twist. Navigate to the Money section of your Sofi app and tap on Sofi Pay in 4. This will display a list of your past Pay in 4 transactions. Find the specific purchase you need the number for and tap on it. Here, you should see an option to view card details or something similar. Just like with your regular debit card, tapping this will prompt you to verify your identity and then display the virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code for that specific purchase. So there you have it. Finding your Sofi debit card number, whether it's for your physical card or a Pay in 4 purchase, is a quick and secure process. Remember, protecting your financial information is key, and Sofi's approach of hiding the number within the app adds an extra layer of security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.